Birds, Part 3. Types of claws.
Hello, Daffy. My legs are hurting as I ran fast from my home to see you.
Ouch! How do you run?
With my legs.
Oh, we do not have legs like you.
Then how do you walk, Daffy?
We have 4 toes to our feet and each toe has a sharp claw. Claws of birds are designed to suit their food habits and different ways of living. Claws and feet of a bird are used for walking, wading, climbing, swimming, and holding their prey. Let me explain to you about the classification of birds based on their feet. Perching birds. Birds like parrots, pigeons, and sparrows have perching feet. Their 3 toes point towards the front and 1 toe points backwards. Their feet help them to hold the branch tightly without falling on the ground. They are known as perching birds. Flesh-eating birds. Birds like eagles, hawks, and vultures have very sharp claws called talons. They help them to catch the fish and they even fly away holding the fish with their sharp talons. Scratching birds. Some birds like hens, roosters, scratch on the ground to dig out worms and seeds. They have 1 short toe at the back and 3 toes at the front. Climbing birds. Some birds like woodpeckers and parakeets have climbing feet to hold on to a branch of the tree and climb up. While climbing, they point 2 toes forward and 2 toes backwards on the bark of the tree. They are known as climbing birds. Swimming birds. Some birds like ducks have webbed feet to swim in the water. They have feet with front toes joined by their skin. It looks like a web. Webbed feet act like paddles that help them to swim in water. Wading birds. Some birds, like herons and storks, wade in the water. They have long legs with their toes out. They can catch fish while walking in the water. They are known as wading birds.
Very interesting, Daffy. We go to other places during our vacation. Do you also move to other places?
Yes, Joe. Some birds could not adjust to extreme cold conditions, so they move from one place to another place in search of food and shelter. This is known as migration. Such birds are called migratory birds.
Thank you, Daffy. It's time for me to get ready for school. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Let us recall.
Birds have pair of feet with 4 toes. They have different types of feet for walking, swimming, and for catching and holding the food. Birds flying away to other places due to unsuitable weather is called migration.